Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best footrest for under-desk use, the Everlasting Comfort Memory Foam Office Footstool. Whether you're working from home, gaming, or just spending long hours at your desk, this footrest is designed to bring comfort and support to your legs, feet, and lower back. The Everlasting Comfort Footrest stands out with its premium memory foam construction. Unlike typical plastic or hard surface footrests, this one molds to the shape of your feet, providing a soft yet firm support that reduces pressure and fatigue. The memory foam offers a plush feeling that cradles your feet, which is especially beneficial if you spend extended periods seated. Its ergonomic design is carefully crafted to improve your posture. The teardrop shape elevates your feet slightly, promoting proper spinal alignment and encouraging better circulation in your legs. This can help prevent discomfort and stiffness often caused by sitting too long without proper leg support. The footrest is also great for alleviating stress on your lower back by ensuring your legs aren't left hanging or unsupported. One of the most unique features of this footrest is its dual functionality. You can use it as a stationary rest, keeping your feet comfortably elevated, or flip it over to enjoy a gentle rocking motion. This rocker design provides dynamic support, encouraging subtle movement that can stimulate blood flow and reduce leg fatigue throughout your workday or gaming sessions. Measuring approximately 17 inches long, 10 inches wide, and 6 inches high, it's compact enough to fit comfortably under most desks but large enough to support both feet comfortably. The footrest is also lightweight, making it easy to reposition or carry between different workspaces. Another major plus is the removable, machine-washable cover. This makes maintenance a breeze, ensuring your footrest stays clean and fresh even with daily use. The black color is sleek and professional, blending well with any office or gaming setup. In summary, the Everlasting Comfort Memory Foam Footrest combines comfort, ergonomic support, and versatility in a single package. It's perfect for anyone looking to improve their posture, reduce leg and back fatigue, and add a touch of luxury to their desk setup. If you spend long hours sitting, this footrest can make a noticeable difference in how you feel at the end of the day. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you want to upgrade your desk comfort, this footrest is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product reviews. See you in the next video.